All right, I have these blinds here, and when I went to take I guess this is called the valance off, because the things that hold it on are called valance clips. As soon as I took this off, this valance clip, both of them actually, snapped right off. And I could buy more of these, but I thought I would try to 3D print a replacement. Here's the first test print. That looks really close. So that looks good enough. I'm going to try to print it thicker. All right, here it is. So let's see first if it will snap onto this. I don't know if it's supposed to be that loose. Yeah, it's about the same. So secondly, let's see if it will snap onto here. And it does. Cool. So let me print a second one. So I'm not sure what to do about the color. I might try to get a clear filament and see how that looks. But black might work for now.